20 something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
What it do, YouTube fams? Your boy FLA back again. And I know it's been a hot minute. Been kind of MIA. Been, dealing with life, dealing with some personal issues, and just dealing with a lot of stuff, man. So, just had to fall back for a quick little second. But heard about this car show that's over here, the Ponte Vedra auto show or something like that. And it's actually in a neighborhood called Alot, which is like pretty close to my house. I'm like 10 minutes from here, so I decided to pull up, see how it's looking. So I'll bring some footage of that, and then probably link up with, the homeboys, the crew, Dash Out Jacks. We finna go, slide the city. So, we're gonna bring you a little footage. You already know how I do. Have a good day. Friggin' weather's perfect so far. So, let's get it. I'll let your boy, first time to the channel, hit that subscribe, like, comment, all that. You already know I'm out here. Let's go. I don't even know what year this Oldsmobile 442 is, but this junk clean, boy. I'm liking this thing, wow. Some bottom lines on that bitch. Man, I just got here, man, but already done seen a lot of nice cars, man. I'm about to go walk by this McLaren that's over here. That junk shining. For sale. Chevelle, one of the dream cars, man. 69 drop top. It kind of clean. And this is just the parking lot. I'm just walking around the parking lot real quick, see, what's all out here before I go in there. But yeah, weather's great. Let's get it. Feels good to be back outside, ain't gonna lie. Oh, we got here a little pink Challenger over here in the cut. $1970 it says. Got that pink Challenger RT. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, check out this McLaren, boy. Aston out here. Can't go wrong with them peanut butter guts. There's the morning. All the locals be out here in the golf carts, man. Probably like 200 golf carts out here. And you see, we got them water slides out here in Alot, bro. And Alot got like 3 water parks, man. It's going crazy out here. Obviously, this is the rich side of town. But yeah, they got like 3 water parks. But back to this car, man. Aston Martin with that peanut butter guts. And this McLaren nasty, boy. Try to get some footage for people jump all up in the way. Ooh. Paint, boy, that big hitting. Rawr. I got hella food trucks out here.
Yeah, so Great Hall is doing Dale.
Look at the ass. Ain't got some damn machine guns on this bed. Look at this. The mini guns. And Rory. Yeah, even got the carbon fiber and the lights.
And then I was like, okay.
Batmobile out here. Good. Oh, sorry. Corn, man. I like the PT Cruiser truck over there. Clean, man. That candy on that bitch. Trying to look better in person, boy. Man, well, it's hard to see, but look at them flakes in that bitch.
They do it all from minor service and repairs to major modifications and even restorations. Check them out and they're amazing. Jeep is on display with their tent or visit them online at habitrail454.com. We'd also like to give a shout out to AFP Clear Shield. It's dangerous out there for a car. Whether it's the sun, the road, or anything in between, they've got you covered. When it comes to window tint, paint protection, ceramic coatings, or vinyl wraps, trust the professionals. Trust AFP Clear Shield and Tint. Be sure to visit their tent located in the center of the show. And let's not forget about all the their mission is to reduce the mortality rate of teens and young adults across the state of Florida.
You seen one of these C8s in this blue? Looking alright, looking alright. And it's just hard to get clear footage out here, man. People just jump all up in your way. It's like, came here, I think, last year or year before, man, and ain't nothing changed, man. You go take a clear shot, here comes somebody. Boom. So, you know, it is what it is. There's a big Corvette row over here. Yeah. Yeah, well, that bit wet.
And it's the window too.
Yeah, it's 53. You'd have to be
That color. Now that's cool.
I know we're in Nocatee. Oh, Bob Marley copyright. See ya. And got the matching seats. Slime game. Here you see it. They even got the carbon fiber on the bike. Got these custom golf carts out here. Yeah, boy. Street Fighter. Yeah, and I got that Ducati with the carbon. Ooh. Go check out this R8 real quick. Yeah. Make clean. Make clean. Dang. Yeah, man, it's hard to get clear footage out here, man. You know, a lot of people out here just, you know, they out here looking and stuff, so they really don't care. But a lot of people be trying to take pictures, and you literally standing there for like 5 minutes trying to get a clear shot. That bit clean. You know, people see you with the camera about to take a picture, and they literally just jump right in front of you, bro. Like, every year I come out here, it's the same thing, man. Which one you taking, 5-0 or Demon? 5-0 or Demon? Let's get it. Got all the paperwork out. He got it for 89. He lucky. He lucky.
Wasn't there one that was wrecked on the farm?
That's not one that I was.
What we got here, boy? This man got like some Toyota minivan on some truck tire. Boy, he got that super shine on them tires, boy. I don't even know what kind of minivan this is, boy, but that man got that tire shine on point, boy. That be wet. Dang. I need to talk to Buddy about that tire shine. Well, you can see that shit from outer space, boy. That joint shine. Damn. Well, don't make me crank my shit up, man. Supra. Now these young cats in this Fox body, what they want to do? What they want to do? They don't want to smoke with the Hemi man. Yeah. Oh, a little beaner. You know, old school Rolls Royce back over here in the cut, just sitting over here by itself. Dang. And got the original seats in there. You already know, got that hardwood dash. Dang. What is this? Silver Shadow 2. Check out this Porsche out. To be honest, man, there's just as nice cars in the parking lot than in there. Little GT4. Bit clean. Look at this thing, boy. And Edsel. Dang. Old school for real.
Is the blue top tent located on the back side of the show, just behind or in front of the parking lot.
And this little Datsun or whatever this is, boy, that bit shining. I ain't gonna lie, that bit wet.
Paintless dent repair process. I encourage you to
Oh, it's a Z. That joint wet. And the new Beamer out here. A bit clean, a bit clean. Yeah. Got the Oreo guts in there, the red, the black and white, black and white. Yeah, that M series ain't playing. They're clean right here, man. Carbon fiber out. What? Let me check out this Corvette over here. I was just about to leave, but this Corvette pulled up chopping, boy. I don't know if you can hear it from here, but I hear that bitch. That bitch chopping. Let me get over here. Oh, he just shut that bit off. Oh, y'all out here? Y'all out here?